Hey everyone, exciting news from Garmin. After months of speculation and leaks, Garmin has finally confirmed an official launch event set for August. Fans are buzzing with anticipation, eager to see what's coming. Teaser video. Garmin recently dropped a teaser video on social media platforms like X and Instagram. The video is full of high-energy clips showcasing sports like running, skiing, weightlifting, and swimming. In the midst of all this action, there's a mysterious infinity symbol. Many believe this hints at the number 8, suggesting that the Fenix 8 series could be making its debut. Event details. Mark your calendars. The live stream event is happening on August 27th. It's scheduled for 1 p.m. in Central Europe, 12 p.m. British Summer Time for those of the UK, and 7 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. This event is shaping up to be a major reveal, so you won't want to miss it. Official confirmation. This announcement is Garmin's first official word after a long period of rumors and leaks. Fans have been eagerly waiting for concrete details, and now they're finally here. Garmin going public with this event has only ramped up the excitement. Rumored features. Now let's dive into some of the exciting rumors surrounding the new smartwatches. Leaks suggest that the Fenix 8, Fenix E, and Enduro 3 might come with enhanced solar technology, promising longer battery life and better performance in outdoor conditions. Built-in microphones are also rumored, potentially adding voice commands and communication options. Another exciting rumor is the option between AMOLED and MIP screens, giving users a choice in display. Pricing. As for pricing, the Fenix 8 is expected to start at around $1,100 or €999. This price point indicates that Garmin is positioning the Fenix 8 as a premium smartwatch, packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Big reveal. The big question on everyone's mind is whether Garmin will unveil all three models, the Fenix 8, Fenix E, and Enduro 3, at the event. While nothing is certain, the anticipation is building. With all the rumored features and enhancements, this launch could be one of the most exciting in recent memory. We won't have to wait much longer to find out what Garmin has planned. So make sure to tune in on August 27th to catch the live stream and witness the big reveal. Whether it's the Fenix 8, Fenix E, Enduro 3, or something completely unexpected, it's sure to be worth the wait. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates and stay tuned for all the latest news. See you next time.